Oh my goodness, I cannot believe I am actually talking about this. I've waited to talk about this for a year. And the thing is, I have moved. Yay! Okay, so wait a minute. I have been wanting to talk about this for months and months and months. Let's address the elephant in the room and then I'll show you the empty room tour. This was about to happen last year in 2020, but we all know what happened in 2020. So it got delayed, and now by the time you're watching this, I've absolutely moved in. You will be seeing so many more different videos, move-in vlogs, halls, room decor, all of that. It is my entire room and I'm going to be decorating it, and just wait, okay, so I just want to show you, so let me show you, and also my arms are breaking off. Yeah, let's go. Okay, so this is the door where you enter from, and towards your left we have this bathroom. Let me just increase the brightness as much as I can. So this is my bathroom and everything. I don't like, it's not even made right now, like it's been going on. Oh, and by the way, the renovations are happening right now. So the renovations have already started, everything is built outside, but I said them to keep this room empty because I wanted to shoot like a before after and like take a close-up of all these shots because I'm going to be doing a lot of stuff here. So yeah, so from tomorrow they will probably shift everything in because they are building a closet and everything here. So yeah, let me show you. So that is the bathroom. Then once you go to the right, this is like a very empty space, and then you get like a huge, like this, you see this is very huge balcony, not balcony, this is like a very huge window, which again I don't want to really show you because of privacy reasons. Some people might just immediately guess where I'm staying, and this is a very like, I don't know, like a very noticeable area I feel like. So I just don't want to show you. I'll just show you the bottom part of the balcony. So yeah, this is the window. Then over here, as you can see, we have this entire area for myself. Now I don't want to reveal everything for you, but I will be building something here, here will be something else, and here will be the closet. I'm just going to give it to you because here, I mean, they have already marked everything, like what is going to be where. So that is the room for me. I'm honestly so happy. Like my friends knew that I wanted to move like since forever. Like we were searching for I will probably do like a move-in questionnaire Q&A video very soon. But yeah, I mean, this entire space is for me. This is literally, I feel like 2 times or like even 3 times bigger than what my room is right now. I have literally planned every single corner, what is going to go where, which color is going to go where I'm going to keep what. This is also finalized, you know, just I did a lot of calculations. Look at the light. I am going to be filming videos all freaking day. Wow. Probably this video will go live, and after that, after like 2-3 days, there will be a series of videos because I've planned like halls, decor, room tour, closet tour, all of that is coming for you. So you just have to wait. Also, it's like September right now, and I think I'll probably move by November end or October end or November, since like everything has just started. Let's hope it's not beyond that because I was supposed to move way sooner than this, but what can we say, to COVID and everything has just not been good. But I'm not gonna cry. This is the happiest moment of my life. I mean, yeah, khushi ke aasu, but yeah, this is the happiest moment of my life. I have waited for this for over 2 years. I will talk about this in the next video. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next vlog. Probably it's relating to moving, but subscribe. Now you just have to subscribe. Yeah, bye.